If you want to make money while creating content, a good place to start is learning to monetize on YouTube. With the help of the trusty YouTube Partner Program and its built-in advertising system, you can start making money on YouTube pretty quickly. While you shouldn't expect to become a millionaire overnight, the smaller amounts of cash add up over time. Then, the bigger and more engaged your audience is, the better the financial returns. The good news is it's super easy to monetize your YouTube channel. In this article, we'll discuss how to join the YouTube Partner Program, how to make money on YouTube with Google AdSense, how many subscribers you need to start making money on YouTube, monetize with YouTube Premium, make money on YouTube via crowdfunding, making money on YouTube with Super Chat, Super Stickers, and Super Thanks. Other ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Monetize YouTube. How do I monetize my YouTube channel? The main way to make money on YouTube is by joining the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to monetize with adverts. And it's simple to set up. Once you've hit all the requirements, you could apply for the YouTube Partner Program during your lunch break and still have time for a quick walk outside. To be accepted for the YouTube Partner Program, you need to tick off a few things first. They are: live in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is up and running. Have a channel with at least 1,000 subscribers. Reach 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months. This also includes YouTube live videos. Have an active AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. Have a channel with no current community guideline strikes. Follow all of the YouTube monetization policies. Enable two-step verification on the Google account linked to your YouTube account. To be extra safe online. Is it free to monetize YouTube? Yep. You'll naturally have to shell out for equipment and those kinds of things, but there's no initial fee for making money on YouTube. YouTube Studio, to kick everything off. Let's walk through the process of activating all this and start making money on YouTube. How to activate YouTube Studio monetization. On the YouTube homepage, click your profile icon and select YouTube Studio in the drop-down menu. Find the left navigation bar and click Monetization. Once you've met the requirements, you'll see a little blue button that says Apply Now. Click it. If you've not quite met the requirements yet, there's a Notify Me when I'm eligible button. Hit that, and YouTube will email you when you're ready. Now, YouTube will carry out a check to ensure you're meeting their community guidelines. A lot of the things in here are common sense. But it's worth familiarizing yourself with the rules, so you don't accidentally break them later down the line. At this point, you should also double-check that your channel's location settings are correct. Otherwise, you might run into problems if your channel isn't set to the correct country. Link your YouTube channel to your AdSense account, or create one here. What you need to do there is enter your email address, the URL, your YouTube channel you want to show ads on, review terms and conditions, sign into your Google account, and create your AdSense account. If you already have an AdSense account, then you just sign in and hook it up to your YouTube. Apply. You might need to be patient, though. You'll usually have to wait around a month to. Videos. This can be for every video, or a select few. A solid tip to remember is that advertising revenue is based on several factors, including the number of viewers, where these viewers are based, and how much they interact with your content. It's not just quantity. If a certain demographic watches loads of videos but doesn't click any links, they're worth less to advertisers. See if you've been accepted or not, and if you haven't, you're allowed to reapply after 30 days. Sometimes the application process can take a bit longer. That's because your application is reviewed. Another key fact is that if you want to make money on YouTube, you'll need to avoid copyright claims, takedowns, and third parties monetizing your content. That last point sounds kind of wild. But it can happen. More often than not, YouTubers will use music they don't have the rights for, which alerts the rights holder, usually the songwriter/artist/record label, and allows them to take. But it can happen. More often than not, YouTubers will use music they don't have the rights for, which alerts the rights holder, usually the songwriter/artist/record label, and allows them to take action. It's an easy mistake to make, but it means the rights holder can monetize your content. They can take the revenue from the video instead of you, as their music is being used. If you want to sidestep this, you need the correct license. Our royalty-free catalog of 35,000 tracks and 90,000 sound effects offers you a direct license, meaning our subscribers can use our music. How much can you make after you monetize your channel? The amount you can make on YouTube varies significantly depending on several factors. These include your niche, the number of clicks your ad get, the length of your video, where your viewers are located globally, the number of views your video gets. The average YouTube pay rate ranges between 10 cents to 30 cents for an ad view. But a more realistic expectation is probably to earn $1 to $2 per 1,000 video views. To give you some context, you need to be generating over 1 million views per month to replace a full-time income. Without ads, can also bring in revenue if the views come from YouTube Premium users. In these cases, YouTube shares some of its subscription revenue with creators, just like with the ad-generated income. YouTube takes a 45% cut of a creator's premium earnings. To learn more about how much a YouTuber earns, click here. For a more comprehensive measurement of how much you'll earn per 1,000 views. YouTube banks 45% of the AdSense earnings, leaving you with 55%. An established YouTuber can make around $18 per 1,000 ad views, which usually comes out to about $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views. You can head to YouTube Analytics and check your RPM. This stands for Revenue Per Mil, which calculates your earnings based on ads, channel memberships, YouTube Premium revenue, chat and super stickers. We'll discuss some of these later. It also includes views on videos you haven't monetized. RPM is different from CPM, which means cost per mil. This is the cost per 1,000 ad impressions. It only counts revenue from YouTube Premium and ads. This means it only includes views from monetized videos. The total amount calculated for CPM is before. YouTube takes a cut, unlike RPM, which shows you your actual revenue. You can increase your RPM by turning on monetization for all videos, turning on all ad formats, turning on ads at all eligible positions, mid-rolls, for example, turning on features like channel membership and super chat to diversify your revenue streams.